This is how you change the license plate bulb on a Hyundai i10. It's a little bit dark outside, but this will not stop us. Let's get right into it. You need to twist it. This part, twist. And now you can change the bulb. Put links in the description box below if you want to check it out. This is the old. Now we take the new one. And you put it in. Now we check it. As you can see, it's working now, so we can close it. Now we take the housing. So this is in, and you need to twist it with both hands. That's how you place the license plate bulb. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.